everyone, welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today is your birthday. Today should probably be a fairly short, chill video because really we're just gonna focus on all the food that Connor and I are making today. It's a Sunday, we love cooking at home on a Sunday, and we have come up with some yummy ideas for lunch and dinner. So I thought, why not do kind of a what I eat in a day, but like mostly just like eat with us on a Sunday kind of vibe. Of course, I'm starting with coffee from our brand new coffee maker. It's so good. I love it. It's delicious. Connor went out to pick up all the supplies that we need for the meals we decided to make, and I'm going to use that time while he's out being productive to clean up our apartment a little bit. Just tidy, nothing too crazy because I'm just not in the mood today for a big clean, but there's just stuff around that I feel like we can put away. And a huge part of cleaning is always recycling because I get 10 billion packages a day. And so I figured might as well open this box that arrived. I'm not totally sure what it is. Oh yeah, I remember now. So this is a package from Redken, and I believe this is a hair mask. Here's everything that's in here. I will show you everything, but cute little packaging. I literally use a hair mask every time I wash my hair. It makes such a difference for my curls, and just like in general, my hair is very dry. So I'm always looking for ways to add moisture. So when they reached out about sending this, I was like, heck yeah. I'm always excited about the box, of course. Go ahead in. So let's have a look at this. So this looks like it's an acidic bonding concentrate shampoo. And then we have the acidic bonding concentrate leave-in treatment for intense conditioning and heat protection, which is awesome. Oh. Connor's calling me. Hi.
Hey babe, do we have shrimp?
Shrimp, let me double check. Yeah, no worries, thank you. Okay. The Acidic Bonding Concentrate 5-minute liquid mask. So this is their new product, and I'm so excited to try this. And what I love is that they sent this little timer that you can keep in your shower that goes for 5 minutes. So you actually know when your 5 minutes is up. I think that is such a cute idea. Is going crazy. That's my little haul here, and I'm going to get started on the clean now. I think I'm going to throw on some Love Island in the background because I have not finished the season yet. I'm getting very close. I think maybe there's like 2 or 3 episodes left, so it's getting kind of boring. Oh my god. I feel like around this time it just is not as exciting. Oh god, our TV responds so slowly, and so I always click the wrong app. It's so annoying. I feel like it always gets kind of boring at the end of Love Island because everyone's in happy couples now. There's not really drama happening, and you know, I'm not really there to see happy couples. Let's be totally honest here. We literally have 2 episodes left. It is so close. We definitely just need to like power through this. Well, moments later, I was just setting down my coffee to start on my clean, and it slipped out of my hands and got all over me and all over the carpet and all over the table here. So that was really fun. I need to go get changed now and get myself a fresh coffee. The carpet luckily seems fine. It got on a blanket, so I gotta wash the blanket for sure. Somehow did not get on the couch, but great. Everything's great. It is 1 p.m. now, and we are ready to make our first meal of the day, which is going to be a spicy pizza. We were both really craving pizza today. By the way, none of these recipes are healthy, so it's just one of those days. It's a Sunday, we're doing homemade food, it's gonna be delicious.
We usually go a little healthier on Sundays, but...
We had a pretty healthy weekend though.
I was gonna say, we didn't have as big of a cheat.
For sure. Pretty excited here. It's basically a like spicy, easy spicy pizza. We are following a recipe that we saw on TikTok for both of these, so I'll link them both down below. This recipe used all things from Trader Joe's, but Connor just went to Whole Foods, but he found literally all the same stuff, so it's gonna be totally fine and delicious. A ton of olive oil in there because we are not dealing with sticking today.
Right.
I cannot deal.
Made that mistake before.
One too many times, honestly. Olive oil, all around. Throw her in. Next thing that we're putting on the pizza is some creamy garlic spread. Okay. Okay, next we're gonna do sauce. In the original, they do like Calabrian chilies, but we just got some Carbone pizza sauce and we got Calabrian salami. Mix with that garlic. So good. Some mozzarella balls. So pretty much what they did is they used like the inside, like, can you pass me that spoon?
Yeah.
The inside like gooey part of the burrata in this section, and then added like the outside skin in a different area. Okay, prosciutto going on.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Super excited.
Go Jill, go. Go Jill, go.
She's so ridiculous. Meow. And then I think they just put the mozzarella on top of there. Like the chunks.
Look at this, Jill.
I think it's gonna be really yummy. Okay, this is what we're working with here. Love it. It's looking so good already. I'm very excited for this. And now we are just popping it into the oven for 10 to 15 minutes on 450. All right, pizza coming out and we're so excited. It's looking good. We ended up baking it for about like 16, 17 minutes, something like that. Okay, we have let it cool down and made sure that it's like off the bottom so it's easy to grab, and now we're going to load it up with some fresh toppings on top. Also, all of this is like cheesy. Like, I think this is gonna be an incredibly cheesy pizza and I'm so excited about it. Okay, for our finishers. Put a ton of arugula on top. A little drizzle of olive oil. And then balsamic on top. All right, we're just gonna cut it right in here. Go like right down the middle. Might need to reposition the arugula. This is it though. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is dinner time over here, and tonight we are making peanut laksa for dinner. It's gonna be so good. I made this one time before and it was delicious while Connor was out of town, so it's his first time getting to try it. It's basically just this really like rich, creamy, peanut buttery curry sauce. Soup, rather, I should say. We fried up the shrimp that we're going to be using in the laksa, just in the same pots that we're gonna actually make the laksa in, because whatever, then you can absorb all that delicious flavor that's left in there. And we're gonna get started on this yummy little meal right now. Okay, red curry paste. It's the first thing we are adding in there.
That's probably enough, right?
Yeah, I think so. I just wanna let that paste start to kind of toast. So I'm just letting that paste kind of start to toast up in here because it's gonna help the flavors develop. Can of coconut milk getting poured in there. We're just gonna let that all melt together into a nice creamy broth. Peanut butter. I'm adding this now that like my curry paste is pretty well incorporated into my coconut milk. And then I'm just gonna work on breaking that down and incorporating that into so that everything gets creamy and smooth. And now I'm going to add some more chicken broth just to help fill out the broth of the soup. And let that come up to a boil, and then we'll drop our noodles and all of our other little toppings. Mine's coming to a little bit of a rolling boil, so I'm going to dump in some edamame, shredded carrot. And now noodles, we are using the Ocean's Halo ramen noodles. Okay, noodles, in they go. And I'm going to add my shrimp back in now to let them finish cooking in this yummy broth that we made.
I'm gonna squeeze half of a lime in. And then a little bit of soy sauce. Add in that little umami taste. And this is really it for this recipe. We're just gonna let these noodles cook down and then we're done.
Here is our finished meal. It is looking so yummy. I just topped it off with some fresh green onion that I didn't cook down, just to add a little bit of a different texture. We have edamame, our shrimp, shredded carrot, the noodles, and this delicious creamy peanut sauce. It's just so good. Peanut curry sauce, I mean, what's not to love? Okay everyone, it is bedtime, but I hope you enjoyed this little mini what I eat in a day video. Everything was so delicious, but I have to say the flatbread was definitely the star of the show today. It was next level. But the peanut curry laksa was absolutely amazing as well. And now it is 9:18 and I have finished my skincare, I brushed my teeth, and I'm ready for bed. So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video.